What's going on, guys? Today we're going to go over some RV show secrets. If you've ever been to an RV show, I'm sure you've seen the RVs in there packed in like absolute sardines, packed into the wall, packed between poles and things like that. And I know sometimes you guys have to wonder, how do we do that? So there is a few tricks to how we do that, and really just one main one besides manpower. And it's this guy right here, and that is a GoJack. A GoJack is a device that allows us to get up underneath the tire, and these two will squeeze together and get the tire off the ground so that the tire is freewheeling on casters, which allows us to slide it in essentially any direction.
So once we get the GoJacks underneath the tires, we jack the tires up off the ground, which now the coach is sitting directly on the wheels, allowing us to pull it completely sideways in any direction we want, which is how we get them pinned up against the wall and in tight spaces you couldn't imagine doing with a truck and trailer or even a dolly. Places where they're pinned in between walls and pinned all the way up against the wall as well. The dollies do help in some open areas, and of course doing the fifth wheels we have big pieces of equipment that will allow us to move them around and get them in tight places from nose to nose and back to back, and slide to slide.
So with the combination of dollies and GoJacks, a ton of manpower, and a lot of planning, and I mean a lot of planning, because it comes down to the inch on where we can put these coaches and how many of them we can fit in there. And we are absolutely slide to slide, bumper to bumper, and sometimes we even have to remove certain accessories like spare tires just to get them to fit properly. So if you've ever sat there and wondered how in the world do we get all of those units in there and that tight, thank your good old buddy GoJack for that. And of course, all of the technicians and manpower and you guys for making it possible by attending the RV shows and purchasing RVs, which is the entire reason that dealerships join or get into those RV shows, is to get you guys the right coach, let you guys come in, check them out firsthand so you can pick out the perfect coach for you. And as always, don't forget, if you want to see more tips, tricks, and tours in an RV from an RV technician, make sure you press that subscribe button.